welcome back. Today I'll be sharing another salad with you. It is a pretty healthy salad. It will be avocado pickle salad. This recipe is actually shared to me by our very good family friends. It's a pretty healthy salad. It has mayo, so not completely healthy, but except from that, it will have just vegetable ingredients. So no meat, no eggs, nothing like this. So let's start by seeing the ingredients. Like I said, very simple salad, only 3 ingredients plus the mayo to dress it up, but actually the salad tastes really, really good, especially if you love pickles. So here's what you're going to need. You will need 1 or as many as you want to make. I'm just going to make a little salad today. But so sour pickles and avocado, and just make sure when you buy that it's not too squishy, so it's not too soft, because that means that it's overripe, but also not very hard. So you need to be able to push on the skin a little bit. It has to be a little bit soft. As well as some green onion. So I'm going to use 1 pickle, 1 avocado, 3 green onions, and just some Hellmann's. I'm using just Hellmann's mayo with avocado oil today to dress up the salad. So to start, let's just cut up our onion. I cut in half, place the green parts on top of the white parts, and then we just slice. Okay, so I placed the green onion into a little salad bowl. So now let's do the avocado. So for the avocado, you want to go ahead and you want to cut like this all around, and you cut as far as the knife goes in, because after that it hits the seed. So just go all around, and then you just twist it like this just to open it. So of course the good avocado inside is not brown, it's yellow, and the green on the outer sides. So I'm just going to remove the seed, and I will just take off the skin. You can do it with your fingers, or you can use a spoon and you can spoon out the inside. Okay, so now I'm just going to slice like this, and just cut like this. And the last ingredient we want to cut up is just the pickle. So just removing the ends, just going to cut it in half, and then slice along the long side. And then, like always, sort of cube it. And we're going to be placing that into the salad bowl as well. And like I mentioned again, these are pickles. They're called full sour pickles. And you can find them at the grocery store, usually near the sausages, or in Costco in a huge glass jar. So that's all the ingredients cut up. So let's just dress up the salad. So I'm just going to put some mayo into the salad. About ½ tablespoon, maybe a little bit more, depending on your liking. And we're just going to mix it. Okay, so the salad is ready. Like I said, it's a very quick, easy to make salad. Very good with the avocados. You know, avocado, it's a very good source of fat for you. So it's a good idea to have it. And then the salad, I find it tastes really, really good, but I do really like pickles. So let's see up close. So this is avocado pickle salad. So of course you have avocados, pickles, green onions, and just mayo. So only 4 ingredients. Quick and easy to find and make. So I hope you try it out. It goes really well alongside some meat or chicken as like a side salad. Of course, you can also sometimes put it on a piece of dark rye bread and actually enjoy it as sort of like the salad sandwich. So thank you so much for watching. Like always, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. It helps me know that you like watching them. And I'll see you in my next recipe. Bye!